Title: Unknown Facts About the USA. Hook: If you have a phone, internet, and 30 minutes a day, this AI opportunity could help you start making money faster than most people think. Script: Today we are talking about unknown facts about the USA. AI is changing the way people work, earn, and build side income. The best part is that beginners can now use simple tools to save time and do work that used to take hours. One of the biggest opportunities right now is using AI for content creation, automation, and online services. Small businesses need help with writing, thumbnails, short videos, captions, and basic marketing content. Another powerful strategy is using AI to create faceless YouTube content. You can generate scripts, voiceovers, subtitles, and video content without showing your face. That makes it easier to start and scale. The key is to stay consistent. Most people quit too early. If you keep uploading, testing titles, and improving thumbnails, your results can grow over time. Start small, focus on one skill, one system, and one income idea, then keep improving every week. CTA, subscribe for more AI and money ideas.